this little car sound like. Hold up. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Now we're gonna sit in here. This one, man. Hey, what's your name, man?
I'm Mike, bro.
What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. Okay, this Mike. Y'all see the DS-18s in the back, all right?
Across the ocean of my mind, my wonder healing with yourself. All my senses intensified whenever you and I would dive across the ocean of my mind. But in the end I drown. You push me down, down.
You ain't gonna give me no water, huh?
Play a better song for you.
Woo! Hold on, how you let this seat back down? Woo! Man, the clarity on this, bro, is unreal.
Oh yeah.
It is unreal, dude.
I'm gonna play some Phil Collins for you.
In the heat, in the air tonight?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I gotta get back in there for that. I ain't seen nobody with an EQ in a minute. What? My ears gonna be ringing for a week, bro.
Yeah, for a while.
Man. So what you got in here?
2 Sundown 12 SAs, 2 8s mid bass, 4 6.5-inch DS-18 Pro audios, 4 MB1s, and 3 DS-18 Super Tweeters.
Jeez. How many amps you running?
2 amps.
2 amps. And an EQ. I know you got an EQ.
2 batteries. That Clarion 755. And I'm running a second battery for sub.
Now you don't have. Do you have any problems out of your alternator or anything like that?
No. Ohio Generator hooked me up with 270 amp alternator.
Oh.
So no power issues, no draw. You don't see my my lights dim.
Nope, didn't see none of that. Had a constant voltage going to the entire time. I didn't see nothing shaking in the dash, nothing blinking, nothing flashing.
Yep. Clean is all I build.
It's clean, it hits. That's when you know you're good at what you do, man. I give you props, bro.
And
I
it's
give
just
you
a
props.
hobby.
Yeah, I give you props on that one. Okay.
Whole car's box.
You got that right there to keep it from. Oh, I'm just
Nah,
assuming. Oh, that's
yeah,
just
that
in
won't
there.
do anything. It's just covering up the little gap.
I thought you put it in there maybe to keep it from breaking up the glass or something like a cushion.
No, so when I originally built this box, I built it to be as wide as the bottom box.
Uh huh.
And it's still tapered in this far. But what it did is it kicked this out this far down here. And when it did that, it moved this out a ½ inch. And if you see it's
Yeah, I see a little
rubbing
bit.
here. So that's why I ended up cutting 2 inches off the bottom box, squeezing a little bit tighter and did it that way. But I'm gonna do 3/8 back here, or 4/8 back here. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
What you gonna do about the window? Leave it?
Yeah,
There you
those
go.
are just gonna be mid bass.
Okay.
So when I pull up somewhere, I can just play music out the back and have my bass in the side of the car.
Got you. Well,
That's
that's
off a Cavalier or a Cobalt SS. Not even made for that car.
I wouldn't have even noticed if you wouldn't have said anything, man.
Full neons all around it. Neons in the headlights.
Man, I gotta give it to you, man. You did the work you did in this on the stereo. That's pretty good, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I'm impressed, bro. And you do your own stuff?
I do my own stuff. Nobody fucks with my shit.
Man. And you got like your own business and everything, right?
Yeah, I own a pressure washer company, a landscape company. I just do this and giggles. But every car I got a system in it, except for my wife. She hates bass.
Jeez, man, that's what I'm talking about, man. So if somebody came up to you and they wanted you to install a, you hook them up.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can do it. You can
Wait.
follow me, by the way. I'm on the Instagram. It's that one smart car.
See, my boy Mike got this ear-shattering, brain-shaking, intestines falling out system in this smart car. And what's your Instagram handle again?
That one smart car.
That
All
one
spelled
smart
out.
car. All spelled out. He got a pressure washing business, but this guy hooks up these stereos. If he can hook you up, look, I'm done. I'm out. I'm done talking because y'all heard it. I ain't really got to tell you nothing because you done heard it. Okay, you heard it. Look him up. That one smart car.